Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will talk about ball mill. A ball mill, also known as paddle mill or tumbling mill, is a milling machine that consists of a hollow cylinder or jar containing balls mounted on a metallic frame or roller such that it can be rotated along its longitudinal axis. So several types of ball mill exist. They differ to an extent in their operating principle. They also differ in their maximum capacity of the milling vessel, ranging from 0.01 liter for planetary ball mill, mixer mill or vibration ball mill to several hundred liters for horizontal rolling ball mills. The ball mills, which could be different in diameter, occupy 30 to 50% of the mill volume, and its size depend on the feed and mill size. Usually, two types of balls are used, which are large and small size. The large ball size tends to break down the coarse feed materials, and the smaller balls help to form fine product by reducing void space between the balls. The balls that are made up of stainless steel or rubber, crushing and grinding material by impact and iteration into an extremely fine form. Ball mills are rotated at a rate and angle that cause the grinding media to cascade. Rotational speed is particularly important, and three basic operation conditions are shown in Figure 1. This is Figure 1. As you can see, the rotational speed is from higher speed to lower speed. When a mill is rotated too quickly, the grinding media and mill base are driven to the outside of the mill by centrifugal force. No milling action occurs at all in this condition. So slowing down the rotational speed slightly creates what is called as cataracting action, which is inefficient, lead to excessive media wear, which become part of the dispersion and generate foam. A foam is like a bubble. So the optimum is the cascading action, which is at critical speed. This is Figure 2. At the critical speed, the ball exceeding on the layer next to the shell start from rest at point S and cling to the shell without revolving or rolling. These balls are held at rest by centrifugal force until they reach point G, the location of which is dependent on the speed of rotation. Beyond the point G, gravity overcomes centrifugal force, and the balls fall with increasing velocity in a parabolic curve, which is the resultant of the above two forces striking at point W. The force of the impact being expanded in crushing the material inside the jar. There are some advantages and disadvantages of ball mills. The first advantage is it produces a very fine powder, which the particle is less than or equal to 10 micron. The second one is it is suitable for milling toxic material since it can be used in a completely enclosed form. The third one is it has a wide application. It can be used for continuous operation and milling highly abrasive materials. The disadvantages of ball mills are: the first one is the contamination of product may occur as a result of wear and tear, which occurs principally from the balls and partially from the casing. The second one is the machine produces a high noise level, especially if the hollow cylinder is made of metal, but much less if rubber is used. The third disadvantage is it takes relatively long milling time, and the fourth one is it is difficult to clean the machine after the use. So I hope the information about the ball mills may be useful. That's all from me. Thank you.